are finally in Spain. I am so happy.
Follow me. The exit is this way.
We need a taxi to go to our hotel.
It is very sunny and warm today in Madrid.
Hello. Can you take us to the city center?
Look, the buildings are very old and tall.
Hello. We have a reservation for a family room.
The view is amazing. Let's start our adventure. This square is very big and red.
Who is this man on the horse, Dad? Look, Mom! The bubbles are so colorful! I am very hungry. Can we eat now?
This shop is famous for calamari sandwiches.
Can I have 4 sandwiches and 4 waters, please? Here is your food. Be careful, it is hot.
This tastes very good and crunchy. Eating outside is very fun in Spain.
Now, where is the royal palace?
Wow, this palace is like a fairy tale.
I need 2 adult and 2 child tickets.
The flowers smell very sweet in the garden.
Look at the ceiling. It is pure gold.
Everyone's smiling. 1, 2, 3.
The king and queen lived here for many years.
My feet are tired. Can we sit down for a minute?
The sun is setting. It's beautiful.
Tomorrow, we're going to Barcelona by train!
This station looks like a jungle with all the trees. Our train is here. It looks very fast.
Press the button to open the door, Tom.
These seats are very comfortable and soft.
Look at the cows and the green hills.
Does anyone want a cookie or an apple?
Dad, we're going so fast right now.
I love traveling by train. It's so relaxing.
Get your bags. We're in Barcelona now.
I can smell the sea. It's so close. This is the tallest church I have ever seen. Look, there is a turtle and a bird on the wall. The lights are red, blue, and green. It's magic!
These columns look like giant stone trees.
I want to take a picture of the ceiling.
This building is still not finished, even after 100 years.
Can we climb to the top of the tower? The city looks so small from here.
Antoni Gaudí was a very creative man.
Mom, can I buy this little colorful lizard?
Here is the famous lizard.
Be careful, don't touch it. Just take a photo. These houses look like they are made of gingerbread.
These benches are very long and curvy.
Look at the green parrots in the trees.
You can see the ocean and the city together.
1 chocolate and 1 strawberry ice cream, please.
The weather is perfect for a walk in the park.
The architecture here is very strange, but cool.
I love this park. It is like a playground.
There are so many people and flowers here.
Look, Dad. Is that man real or a statue?
Let's go inside. I want to see the fruits.
What is that meat? It smells very strong. I want the mango and pineapple juice, please. This fruit looks like a pink dragon egg.
How much is this? 2 euros? Okay.
Ew, look at the octopus's big purple tentacles.
Everything is so fresh and colorful at this market.
Tomorrow we're going south to the Valencia coast.
The sand is very soft and warm on my feet. The water is not cold, it is very nice.
Let's build a big castle for the king.
We must try the traditional paella here.
Nah. Wow, this pan is huge. Look at the yellow rice. Are these shrimp? I want to try one.
Lemon makes the seafood taste so much better.
This is the best meal of our trip so far.
The sky is orange and pink. It's so quiet.
The houses are white and the doors are yellow.
Spanish guitar music sounds very emotional.
Tonight, we are watching a flamenco show.
She is making a lot of noise with her shoes. I want to dance like her someday, Mom.
That was amazing! Bravo! Perfect!
Seville is such a magical city at night.
We are high up.
Look at the snowy mountains.
The patterns on the walls are very detailed.
Count the lions. There are 12 of them.
The water is like a mirror. You can see the sky.
Are these oranges sweet or sour, Dad?
Spain was a very special trip for all of us.
Don't forget your teddy bear, Lily.
We have many memories and many new words.
Goodbye, Spain. We will come back again.
See you in our next story. Bye-bye, everyone.